Hi, I'm Sugat. Recently, I had to build a mini project for my university assignment, and I thought, why not let's build a fraud detection device? Let's talk about how it works. So this is a river. I know it's not the perfect, but it works. So this is a river and it is flowing. So basic thing, right? So heavy precipitations or the rainfall occurs, then obvious answer is level of the river will increase. So basically this is a device I made in the video and it has ultrasonic sensor which will send a sound wave. So it will send a sound wave and it will return back. We know that it's a echo occurs and it will calculate the distance or the time taken to send the ray and to receive the rays, and it will calculate the distance. What I'm going to do for the flood detection, I'll calculate the distance between this is a dam. Let's consider this as a dam. What I will do is measure the level of the dam. So for example, this is the level, and look, for example, it has one initial value that is a dam level. Now after the recording of the dam level, what it will do, this ultrasonic sensor will just send some rays into the river and then it would calculate the distance. If it exceeds the dam level or nearly exceeds the dam level, then it will send a warning. Let's dive into how we build it